Hi guys, welcome to a new video. We watch the best dashcam videos. If you like my videos, leave a like and subscribe my channel.
This is oh, watch out.
As you can see, I've got at least a full car's length right there. The guy in his finger gun's about to come out of his truck. Now he's really angry. He just blasted me with his finger cannon. Maybe he's angry because of the way his mother dressed him this morning. Hipster glasses, shirt too small, shorts too short. This guy's...
ان شاء الله بكره انا ما دي خلاص قناعه وصلت لها. لا سوبر كالاتي بكره هعمل شنو ان شاء الله. لا عاوز الظهر اي والله.
With Lucky Land Slots, you can get lucky just about anywhere.
This is Captain speaking. We've got clear runway and the weather's fine, but we're just going to circle up here a while and get lucky. Oh, no, nothing like that. It's just...
Without the other jumping in to prolong it all, or without personalizing unfiltered emotion.
Oh, she done smashed.
I'm coming for you next time I see you on the block. You hit about it? Yeah, I'm gonna fuck with you next time I see you on the block.
Oh, wait, she done ran into her shit. McKaylee done. Oh, McKaylee bust her window. McKaylee bust her window. She did, she bust her window. Windshield busted. She
Hey,
out of
guess
here.
what? My daddy gonna fix that.
Here she come, watch out. Here she comes. She just hit a Yui in the middle of the thing. Oh, shit. I got all this. Late night down the way shit. She ain't done. Oh, she ain't done. She ain't done. Store. I've been moving my shit. Looking for it. Her shit ain't even started. Oh, it is. Oh, she just clown. And she ain't done. Oh, she done. She trying to hit the bitch.
Hey, stop that. Hey, man.
Oh, she clowning.
Crazy white girl that just snapped in my car, and I got her on video.
Oh, she calling them boys. I ain't got one, brother. What's up, blood? I ain't got one. That's crazy.
They on the phone with the police, though. Like, y'all just started all that shit. Stop talking to me. You on the phone with the law. Stop talking to me. You started mad shit. Stop talking to me.
Henderson pleaded guilty of murder and kidnapping and received 2 consecutive life sentences in prison. McKinney went to trial a year after Matthew's murder, and just before the jury came back with the verdict, offered a guilty plea and received 2 consecutive life sentences. A crime of passion, Shepard was